How to make your ex feel safe coming back. Rebuilding a connection with an ex is delicate. The key is not grand gestures but creating an environment of emotional safety. When someone feels secure, trust and affection can grow again. Did you know you can use simple reverse psychology techniques to make your ex want you back? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Here are practical steps to make your ex feel safe coming back. 1. Respect their feelings. Show respect for their emotions and past choices. Avoid blame or pressure. Acknowledging their perspective demonstrates maturity and helps dissolve old tension. 2. Stay emotionally steady. Consistency builds confidence. Keep calm in conversations and avoid dramatic reactions. Emotional stability reassures them that the relationship will not spiral into chaos again. 3. Rebuild trust slowly. Small actions matter more than promises. Be dependable, follow through, and let your reliability speak louder than words. Trust grows through consistency over time. 4. Allow space. Do not rush reconciliation. Giving space shows respect for their boundaries and reduces fear of being trapped. This patience creates a natural pull back toward you. 5. Communicate with empathy. Listen deeply and respond with kindness. Even simple phrases that validate their feelings can make them feel safe. Empathy is the language that heals old wounds. 6. Show real growth. Talk is not enough, demonstrate change. Whether through healthier habits, better communication, or improved balance, visible growth signals a different future together. To make your ex feel safe coming back, you must focus on respect, patience, empathy, and genuine transformation. Safety is not built overnight, but when your ex senses real change and stability, the idea of returning will no longer feel risky. Security, more than persuasion, is what opens the door to reconciliation. Do you want to learn how to get your ex back with this simple, proven reverse psychology techniques that make your ex beg you to come back? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.